my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this adorable tree ornaments. They're very easy to do, they work up super quick, so let's get to it and create something great. For this project I'm using number 4 medium weight yarn. You're just going to need a little bit of yarn. I'm also using 5mm crochet hook. You're going to need your hot glue gun, scissors, one wooden bead of any kind of bead you want. You just need one to glue it at the bottom of the tree. And last is you're just going to need some sort of a pick. The one I'm using is just a plastic pick and mine measures about 4 inches long. You can use sandwich picks or bamboo picks, any kind would work, you just need one. And if you're going to hang yours, you're just going to need some sort of a cord. The one I'm using is just a regular cord I got at the Dollar Tree. Let's slip knot to start. We're going to need a foundation chain of 110. So I'm going to continue and chain my foundation chain of 110 and I'll get back to you to show you what to do next. So here I have my foundation chain all worked and completed. So into our second chain from the hook, so not this one but into this one, we're going to go ahead and slip stitch. So insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through your second loop like that. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, like this. Into the next 80 stitches, we're going to work 1 single crochet. To work a single crochet, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on your chain, on your hook, yarn over and pull through both of the loops, and that's a single crochet. So like that, I'm going to work on my single crochets. And I'll meet you at the end when I have my 80 single crochets worked to show you what to do to the remaining of our chain. So here I went ahead and I finished my single crochets. This is how it looks like. And for the remaining of the chain, I'm going to work half double crochets. To work a half double crochet, yarn over, go into your chain, yarn over again, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So continue working your half double crochets into the remaining of your chain. I have 19 left. Now if you have more or less, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be exact. As long as it's approximate 19 chains left, that's all you really need here. So like that, I'm going to continue and finish up my half double crochets and I'll meet you at the end to show you what to do next. This is how it looks like. So let's go ahead and fasten off. So I like to chain 1 and cut my yarn. So let's assemble our Christmas tree. And here I started from the top, and what I did is I used my slip stitches, and then the bottom was the half double crochets that we worked on. What I like to do is I like to fold it and just kind of make the shape of the tree. And each row, what I like to do is just make it a little bit longer than the previous one. So each time I try to extend it and make my row longer like that. See? So it's shorter here and each time it gets longer and longer. So I'm just gonna play with it and just kind of assemble it with each row being longer than the previous one. And that's going to give me the shape of a tree that I'm looking for. like that. Once you're happy with the shape of your tree, what you need is your pick, and the next step is coming from the top. I'm going to insert my pick like that, and then I'm going to go through each layer, picking up each layer as I go, and I try to kind of position it in the middle so they're even on both sides, like so. This is how it looks like so far. And then you can bring it up and kind of position it and see how you like it. Now don't worry about this part. We'll work on it and I'll show you how to fix it. Once you're happy with the positioning of your tree, what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and glue our little wooden bead at the bottom, right over here. So using our hot glue gun, I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue right into the middle, the opening. And then I'm just going to pick up my tree and just insert my pick right into the bead, like that. Try for this part not to come out. You want it to be covered. The end of the pick, you want it to stay inside the bead. What I like to do is just add a little bit of glue right inside on the other end, like that. So once you added your wooden bead and you like the way it looks, what we need to do is work on these two little tails and attach this end to the top layer of the tree right over here, and I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to use my hook, and what I'm going to do is insert my hook right into the layer right on top of the last layer that's left over, so right over here. And I'm going to use one of my tails and place it on my hook and bring it into the top layer like that. And then repeat the same thing on the other side. So you can go on the back. Insert your hook anywhere on the top layer, right on top of this one, and repeat. So put your tail on the hook and bring it out like that. So this is how it looks like. And all I'm going to do with these tails, and I'm just going to knot them together. Let's cut them. Just position your tree the way you like it. And that's it, you're pretty much done. This is how it looks like. So last thing what we need to do is just add some sort of a cord on top so we can hang it on the tree or on the presents or anywhere we want to use our tree on. So what I like to do is just knot it right on top, like so. And then just make a big loop, big enough to go around your tree or anywhere you're going to add your ornament to. And just go ahead and knot it, like that. And to hide the knot, what you can do is you can make a little bow. Just like to bring out little loops like that. And close it, tighten it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.